Check this out, man. So this is what's left of a coolant pump. I took the rest of it apart. I'm going to use it for other stuff. But check out, we got a nice aluminum heatsink type housing. 220 volt. 1.2 kilowatt. I guess that's what, 1.6 horsepower. Star wound 3-phase stator. Now, I don't know why this was thrown away at work. I don't know if it was the winding, if it was the bearings, or if it was just the pump itself. But initial testing shows that the stator is intact and it's not shorted to ground. Well, I guess the winding could still be shorted to itself. I guess we'll just have to find that out. What can I do with this? What can I do with this? Make a tool, duh. Okay, so here's what we got. Alright, so here's what we got. You know, you try to, yeah, you know where this is going. Check this out. This is gonna be strong. Kind of helps to put stuff together, you know what I mean? Alright. And now we'll do it for slotted screwdrivers too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And it's a demagnetizer. Demagnetize it, you gotta hold it in the center. Don't let it touch the sides. Alright, took it away. Yep, this one too. Gotta get this one. Now the thing is, you don't want to keep this on for too long because it's going to get hot real quick. You don't want to burn up the coil. There we go. Now, okay, now here's the reason I'm really doing this. Sometimes your lathe tools and your end mills and stuff like that will get magnetized over time. So we take care of that. It collects shavings and it's just a real pain in the butt. So demagnetize it. Oh yeah, now we're set. Cool. Now I just need to cover that before I hurt myself.